We're going to call you Cycler. Cycler, you're a brand new patient today, aren't you?
Sure.
This is our first time to meet, right?
Second
time.
Yep.
But it's been a long time.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And you've agreed to allow us to share your story of what's happened to you, and we appreciate that. But it's okay with you if I video this and we share it on YouTube?
Sure.
Why don't you just tell me in your own words kind of what happened here? Because it looks like a zombie attack.
It was a lot like a zombie attack.
What happened?
So, my airline flight was delayed from a mechanical error.
Are you sure it wasn't that a tiger got loose?
No.
Look at that. That looks like you've got zebra stripes all the way up there.
Yeah, and so I had gotten through my first flight, but it was in the Atlanta airport. We had gotten off of the D terminal, and I had to be at the B terminal. When I got off the flight, I was supposed to be boarding the other flight, so I was trying to make it there, going down the...
Most of these wounds look like they're going to heal just fine. Certainly, we're going to make some recommendations. If you've been putting any kind of ointments or topicals on this, we're going to ask you to stop doing that now.
Oh, okay.
All right. Usually after the first few days, you don't get any more benefit from doing that. And I'm going to give you an oral antibiotic. Not that at this point that I think that you have an infection, but that you have a couple of areas that are suspicious, maybe, especially right in here. I'm concerned there and here. Now, some of that just may be some hypertrophic tissue secondary to the ointments you've been using. So just to be on the safe side, we're going to use an antibiotic that'll cover staph. And I'm going to ask you just to keep this clean and dry. I suspect that you're going to do real well. This will heal just fine. But you know what? Accidents happen, don't they?
Don't go anywhere. The Meta 7 video is coming right up.
Okay, why don't you tell us about your experience with Meta 7?
Okay, well, first of all, I started taking them, but I was not taking them as I was supposed to. So finally, I decided just to take it as I am supposed to. It is great. It's like, oh my God, I cannot live without that, because it's like energy. I feel more like in control of myself. That's the best thing. So honestly, from now on, I am not going to miss a day.
Awesome.
I love it.
So you were just like taking it once in a while.
I was taking it like maybe twice, 3 times a week.
It wasn't really working, was it?
It worked when I take it just a little bit, but I didn't know.
Not like, right. You didn't know that you have to take it every day to really feel the effect.
Yes, I didn't know the 100% effect.
Wonderful.
Once I took it for 2 weeks, I mean, I'm sold on it. 2 weeks and that was it. I'm like, I really need to do this on an everyday basis.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello guys, Dr. Carlo Ojed here. Or I have to rest, otherwise my performance at work. I do emergency medicine. If I go to work tired, I might make the wrong decisions. I might be in a bad mood. I might be rude to a patient. So this is important. I have to rest. So I thought, all right, well, here goes nothing. Let me get Rest More a try. So I went to the closet, I got the Rest More, I got the 2 pills, good, went to bed. I'm not sure how long it took me, but I don't even remember laying in bed. Next morning I woke up, I was like, that must have worked. I mean, it couldn't have been more than 10 minutes I was asleep when I had been in bed for like an hour, not falling asleep. I put on the light, took the pills, drank water, laid back in bed. Now, I don't know if I psyched myself up to it, if I wanted it to work and made it work, but whatever it did work. So give it a try. It is a natural supplement. So it's worth giving it a try. If it doesn't work, doesn't work. Did you waste it much? Not much. So give Rest More a try. It worked for me. I'm certainly going to use it when I work my next set of night shifts to help me sleep during the day. Maybe it'll keep me asleep more consistently, because during the day you wake up a lot and you're looking at the clock and that kind of thing. So for now I can say it worked great for me. So give it a try. Rest More.